Hi everybody, and this lesson I'm going to how to learning the Requirejs Introduction summary. Introduction summary. So introduction is mean about I and you. I share some very basic and how to use the basis, how to use the Requirejs. So it's very easy and only a little few requirements how to use it. So the more time you continue to study in the Requirejs org or from other teachers. And this is about we learning the 5 step. It's all lesson on here. For example, we learning the history about the founder. The founder is James Barker. James Barker is also the AMD style founder. So we need to know a little history. Sometimes it's 9 years ago. It's to made the Requirejs, and he worked in the JavaScript compute company. And about step which learning the download and loading the Requirejs. It's learning the daemon. The daemon is step 2 to learning how to use the one way use the daemon to loading the Requirejs, the many JS file, and we learning the configuration. It means sometimes we can do more things. The required configure, it can help me to do more things. Sometimes if you very easy step, you can you don't to use the require configure. Is also okay. And called model about Vjs, we use the require 4 step require method loading Vjs, and Requirejs is also require method. It's also can write down. It have 2 values. It's first one is for what the other JS we need to loading, and we to do another thing. And also the defined file we need to choose the AMD format. It's if AMD style use the defined method to loading your JS, and to make the JS file like use the Requirejs can use it. Also, we in the last lesson we learning sometimes if don't AMD style JS, we can use the shim config option, one component option to use it. But this is a hard thing. You need to practice more. You to know how to working. So we if very easy step, we can delete the 2, delete the 3. We only 3 step: 1 loading JS, and 2 use the Requirejs in the file, and don't use the daemon JS file, and 3 is to write down a defined AMD style JS. We can to running the JS file. This is the easy step. You can know that. Okay, this is the all lesson for this time I share for you, and I also to share my code on my github.com, and unless yeah, maybe and choose here and Requirejs, and you can download if you need it. And again, Dex project and the PPT, my PPT file and script some demo. And also you can try start make it follow the require.org. And if you like my course, and I hope you can give 1 star to let me happy. I feel I can do very hard to working to make more course, video course share. And this is my Gmail, my email for Gmail. Maybe you and me from a different country, maybe American, maybe India, maybe China, maybe another country. I'm hope you meet should be a friend, so you can send me some easy Gmail for me. And if you also you have some question for this lesson, you also can email me, and if I know, I try to help you to change your question to answer you. And also, if you use the WeChalk app, this is my WeChalk ID. Yeah, you can choose. It's also my phone number of China. If you need to use it, you also can add my WeChalk. So this is lesson C. I hope you nasty. I hope you can know more than the first lesson to study the Requirejs. I hope you can how to use the basic Requirejs. And have a nice day. See you again. Goodbye.